Yeah, man. You don't know media facts, you know. I'll come for talk about. You don't see what going on in media already. Wow. Don't see the Gaza boss get him visa, you know. Yeah, man, but I wonder how Papi thing going now. Papi can't get him visa. You don't know Kartel come out of prison after 13 years, couple months after. Him thing sign off. It's a good look, cause you don't know. Him was a man where travel like that, so it's a good look for say him get back in visa and thing, you know? Yeah, man. But I know I'm going with Popcaan thing. Years now. But let's see. You see me? As Kartel say, he want put up dancehall back on the map. You see me? So let's see how that go. You know, he soon reach 50, so I say if him can manage and propel the thing. You see me? Cause people hearing your song is a different thing from people seeing you performing on stage. You see me? They want to see how you work the stage, they want to see how you move and interact with the crowd and everything. Yeah, man. So, them say the Gaza boss get back him thing, you know. US visa alive. Maybe ever see like a private jet roll up, be a link up, maybe man bust a rhyme and, you know, even maybe man move out a link up too. Who knows? I don't know. Them big up each other and think same speed. You see me? Yeah, man. You don't know people. Remember to like, share, and subscribe. You see me? Comment your opinions and what you think about the situation. You see me? Yeah. It's a good look. Same speed. You see me? You don't know. We have to just see what him can do, you know. So him have a perform out there. You see me? Cause get back the visa, you know. I don't know if it's a work visa or some other visa still. But him get back a visa, so let's see how much show him have a book for over there and thing, and you know. Maybe him have a couple solo show over there. You see me? Yeah, cause you don't know 13 years people not see him, is it? Yeah, man. Yeah. But I know so the people them want to see Popcaan too. You see me? But I know what going on with film thing. You see me? When I don't really know what going on with film thing. You see me? But Kartel keep him show out here. You see me? Get a good turnout, but you know, couple ticket giveaway and you know, some people say them come in free and thing, but you don't know what they in the world thing different. You see me? So we have to see how people turn out when him go out there in the world and see what Gwan. But we know so people are gonna turn up still. You see me? I mean, one of the Gaza fans them happy, you know. Can't say nothing to them, you know, because them basket back a visa, you know. You see me? I say I want them to, you know. But as me say, make we see what go on. You see me? Cause yeah, visa can get, you know, and show can book, but it's all boiled down to the performance. You see me? Cause remember, you know, them done a fight over the king thing already, so them have to prove themselves. You see me? Yeah, man, Kartel have to prove him thing now. Since him say him can propel the thing, put dancehall to a next level. Cause I wonder if you never did a put out song before. You see me? For propel it, I wonder what the difference with him putting out music in a prison and when him there road. You see me? At the same music. And I one show alone we see him perform and you know really look good cause we know how the bugger playing thing and the bugger radio visit and you see me announce him in the place and all of them little thing there. So you know that take a lot of work at that time. I would done him 100 already. You see me? Him no 100. So we have to go see how that go now. You see me? Cause right now, you know, it's sticky, you know. Cause right now, you have to go out there and prove it. Cause, you know, look good already. Cause remember, you know, they must say, yo, I'm the man. So, you have to show say I'm the man. You see me? Cause what him shouldn't do I take no boots in, cause him know I'm not 200 already. You see me? So let's see how the Gaza boss thing stay. It's a good look. So him get back in visa. I'm glad to see him get back in visa because want to see what him can do out there in the world and prove him title. You see me? Because we know him have everything a yard, but we want to see the international move, domination. How him a go dominate dancehall physically out there is what I try to say. So let's see how the Gaza boss do him thing. Everybody wants to see what Gwan. Him have a couple show forward in, so we have to see what Gwan. You see me? Because although in this time nobody not too tune in with the new music, you know, still, you see me? You see say Grammy nominate the album there when him drop. Although I know that still, cause it was an album when nobody really made. But let's see how it go. I guess him get him visa so him can go to Grammy thing for a year if him get it or what. Is what I try to say. So let's see how that go, cause him have to go prove it. You see me? Cause remember, if you have big talk, you have to make big move too. Yeah, man. People, remember to like, share, and subscribe. Don't make me have to tell you again. You see me? Yeah, man. But it's a good look, see me. And we have to see how things go and work out. You see it? Yeah, man. But boy, Jano, I know them a do Popcaan so still, cause Popcaan their road how long and all now. A visa can't stamp in him thing. You see me? I know you can't stamp in a book. You see me? I know what Gwan. What Popcaan really do. You see me? Cause if Kartel they are prison for 13 years and get back for him thing and Poppy their road. You see me? And I like him under no charge or any little thing. Or I don't know how Uncle Sam a prima or whatsoever, but look away still. You see me? I know unruly fans them say, yo, what this? What go on? Something that look right. But we have to see what go on still. We have to see what go on. We have to see where God's boss have out there in the world, or am I gonna dominate and thing. You see me? Yeah, man, cause we have to see, you know. Cause remember I'm a claim kingship, so we have to see if your work getting the king or the crown. You see me? Yeah, cause all who name call up on the king thing, they might do it out the beginning of the world. I just you know. We have to see how you are gonna manage right now. You see me? Cause you can't flap out there, you know. Can't flap out there. Cause now gonna look good. You see me? Although you know the biasness people are gonna say, you know the man sick, man, you know the man sick. And him can't manage. But there's no excuse right now. Because when I put him in a hot water right now, you see me? I don't want Beanie Man get the last laugh. You see me? Yeah. Or who else want the king thing. You see me? But as me say, people have to see what go on and get back in visa now. So there's no turning back right now. We have to see what go on. So we have to see what go on. And then we can put in opinions and see what go on. Is what I try to say. But people, you don't know in a media facts and I want to talk trash. You see me? I'll come for talk with mine, talk opinion on things and set it straight. You see me? Yeah, man, you don't know. But there, yeah, man, I like this. That is it.